What's going on, everyone? My name is Steven. I am a service advisor here at Romano Subaru, and something that we get asked on a daily basis is how do I connect my phone to my car? That is a big mystery that people are always trying to figure out. I want to take a little bit of time today to show you that process and clarify things for you. So follow me. The first thing you need to do is make sure the Bluetooth setting on your phone is on. This is probably the most important thing you got to do. So you got to go into settings and turn that on. Now, I have an Android, but any modern phone is going to have this feature. This is Bluetooth. I'm literally just swiping it on. Your Apple would be able to do that as well. So, all right, cool. So this is the main overlay for 2026 Forester. Down here, there will be a little icon that looks just like a phone. This is where you want to be. You're going to click this, and it's going to ask you, there's no registered device on the vehicle, please add one. There's a button up here that says add. You want to click that. And so this is where your car will start looking for that signal. Boom. This is what you want to see. On my phone, I clicked Forester because that's the device name. It's going to come with a pin. As long as this matches what's on your phone, you're good to go. Okay, cool. So this is the connected devices portion of Bluetooth. So as you can see, the Forester's automatically coming up. There's going to be a number here. You want this number to match what your Forester is spitting out as well. So just click pair, and you're noticing right up here, Forester's active, it's connected, it's ready to go. So, all right, so you'll get this. I have an Android, so automatically it's going to pull up that this is going to be an Android Auto. You can use the Android driving services, or you can click no and use the Subaru driving services. It's really just a preference. For me, I'm just going to click no just to show you guys what the Subaru system will look like. So I'm just going to say no to this stuff, but it's saying my phone's right here. It's connected. It's all good to go. Bluetooth is on. If I ever wanted to trigger Android Auto, I can just swipe here. So over here on this outlet, again, you click down here, it'll show you your phone. So that means it's on, it's active. Any kind of music you're playing, podcasts, you can bring it up right here on the system and it's good. All right, guys, that is how you connect your phone to your Subaru. As long as you follow that little button with the phone on it, it should bring you straight into the Bluetooth settings. So if you guys have any other questions, comments, or concerns, please let us know. We're happy to help. And as always, this is Romano Subaru. Hope you guys have a great day.